I'll be showing you guys how to remove your TikTok profile picture. So just follow this step right away as I show you. So once you click on where you have the edit button, right here you get to see where we have change photo. Can you see? So once I click on change photo, you get to see the options we have. Can you see that there's no option for you to remove your profile picture on TikTok? We only have take photo, upload photo, and view photo. So now for you to remove your TikTok profile picture, there's a way to go about that. So you simply need to go to your Chrome browser. So right here, I'm on my Chrome browser. So I'll just search for default profile picture. So once I search for this, then some default profile picture will load up for me. So I get to like click on images, so I get to see more of them and choose one of them. So let me go ahead and choose this particular one. So once I choose this, I'll go ahead and click on download so that it will get saved to my gallery. So once I'm done downloading this, so now let's go back to our TikTok to upload it to our profile picture. So I'll go back and click on edit right here. So once I click on edit, then I'll click on change photo, then I'll choose upload photo right here. Once I choose upload photo, then I get to select the photo I just downloaded. So right here I click on next, I click on next again, and I click on save right here. So once I click on save, then automatically my profile picture will be changed. It will be removed. Can you see? I have successfully removed my profile picture, and that is basically how you go about removing your TikTok profile picture. So if you got value, do it to subscribe, like this video, and also drop your comment. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.